So basically, guys, it has taken that video right there that we've just pulled up, and we're going to click on the octopus browser thing, and as you can see, it has literally taken that video, and we can simply just press download, and it will download straight onto our computer. Okay, now I'm not going to do that because I don't really need to download this one on my computer, and I don't want there's not much space on my computer right now. But yeah, so basically, now what do we do with this video? Okay, now then what we do is we simply, we can basically take that file, put it up, put it on our. I don't know if you can actually log in on here. Let me just check if we can log in. Oh, you can. I think you can actually log in onto the website, onto your laptop. So you can literally, I don't know if we can do videos and upload videos on our laptop, but basically, however you want to do it, whether you do it on your laptop, I don't know if it works on your laptop, but you can do it on your phone. Okay. So what I do, I mean, if I can do it this way, I would definitely do it this way. It saves me time. But what I usually do is I go to the video, and then I email the video to myself, and then I download it on my phone, and then I go to TikTok, and then I upload the video on my TikTok account. I remove the any sound, because what we can do on TikTok, we can edit it. So we can edit the sound, we can edit the video, we can add text on it. So we can do whatever we want to the video. And what you're going to do, obviously, as we know, TikTok is only like 30 to 60 seconds per video, okay, per clip. It's only a 30 to 60 second per clip, right? So as we can see, that one was like a 40-second clip. As you can see here, it's a 41-second clip. But I don't know what's wrong with that, but no, it was a 40-second clip here. As we can see, it's a 41-second clip. But what we can actually do is we can just still upload that to TikTok. And what it would allow us to do is clip out the places that we want to keep the video at. Okay. So the rest will be cut off, and we can keep a specific thing. So we can literally forward it to like here, and then just like start the video here when she's filling up the water, and then like finish it like there around the like 60-second mark or whatever. Once that's done, then we can add our music, and I've actually done this in one of my TikTok accounts. I don't want to really show my TikTok account because I don't want people copying my stuff and copying all of the videos that I do in the niche that I'm in. But because I actually want to share with you training of how you can do it and go out there and do it for yourself, not copying. Okay. And I know there's a lot of people that watch videos like this, they like to copy, and that's not the way to do it. Okay. So I can probably do a demonstration account later on, but I'm not doing it right now. But you get the idea of it, I hope. So once you've done that, you simply just upload it to TikTok, right? And the thing about this is that there are going to be videos that can easily go viral with products that are very interesting. Okay. And the reason why I picked AliExpress is because their products are very interesting. They have some really unique products that you'll be like, wow, that is a really cool product. You know what I mean? So there's a lot of products on here that can literally go viral. But then what we can do is, if we don't want to be an affiliate for AliExpress, we can actually find this same item on Amazon. If we go, I don't know, I haven't done this yet. This is the first time that I'm researching something like this, but I have a feeling that most of the products that are on there are also on Amazon as well. And I'm going to show you that that may be the case. Okay, we're going to go and see. Let's see. Okay, so it's this, where is it? Where was I with the box? So I'm looking for the picture with the box on it. Okay. I'm sure I pulled up a picture. Oh, that was the video, I think. Okay, cool. Well, I remember what the box looks like, so let me just scroll down and look for the same one. So they've got a similar product right here, but we have to look for the same product. So basically, in a nutshell, if they've got the same product, you might as well just sell it on Amazon. Because firstly, Amazon is a very trusted site. People trust this website. And secondly, I don't know about the commissions, but it's more secure. So, AliExpress may be more stricter when it comes to selling, like you have to do certain things. And for example, like I stated in the previous video, if you have too many refunds on your product, which is sometimes out of your control, okay, then AliExpress can, you can have problems with your account. And obviously, we don't want problems with our account. And, we don't want to be doing videos for nothing. We want to actually, be continuously making sales with our whatever it is that we are promoting, okay? So, if our account just randomly gets banned, then we haven't necessarily lost because we still have our account and we can change it around or whatever, but it's just going to make life more difficult, if you get what I mean. So the company is Mournwell, so I'm going to type that in and see if that comes up. Mournwell, and we see if it comes up now. Okay, I don't think they have this same brand on I don't think they have the same brand on Amazon. So I guess we can just sell it on AliExpress. Now, you can just become an affiliate for AliExpress. Or the other thing that you can actually do, which is actually quite genius, that is you can buy a whole load of products. It doesn't have to be this one necessarily. This is just an example. But what you can do is you can buy a whole bunch of products and then you can drop ship them. So you can list it on a site like Amazon. If no one's actually listing it, you can list it on Amazon and charge way more. And basically, when someone pays for it from you, then you can basically just ship it out to them on AliExpress, if that makes sense. So they buy it from you on Amazon, like you list it on Amazon, you do the listing and everything, and then every time they buy it, they purchase it, then you just simply ship it out to them on AliExpress. Now, obviously, that is one way of doing it, but if you really want to build passive income, then it's better just to do affiliate marketing. That way you don't have to deal with the shipping, you don't have to deal with anything. You can just literally, they pay for from your link, you get a small commission, and you're done. You're not really, you're not really worried about shipping or anything like that. You're the vendor is doing all of that work for them, basically. So that is a really cool method, guys. I've literally seen some TikTok videos just by simple videos like this. Seriously, videos like this of demonstrations of a product, and that product may be very interesting. Like, I think one product I saw was like a machine that shoots out tissue paper or kitchen roll paper, and that literally went viral. And it was a product. It was an Amazon product. Okay, now we can do this with a whole bunch of products, but it's good to pick one niche and then just have a whole bunch of different products in that niche. Different products that can interest your, the people that are on your TikTok, your followers or whatever. And who knows, your posts may go viral depending on what products you're finding, how popular they are they trending, all of that stuff. Okay, so I hope you've taken some value from this video. Please do like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you found it helpful. And I hope to see you in more upcoming videos like this. And take care. Bye bye.